Are you looking for a hail damage roofing contractor in St. Paul for a strip mall? We specialize in going out and documenting any sort of damage that you may have on your strip mall in St. Paul. We will do a full walkthrough on the roof. Also look at the, if there's siding or anything like that. We document it, video, pictures. We go through the whole process. We generate a detailed estimate. We also recommend that if you've had hail in the area and you have a TPO, PVC, any sort of roof like that, that you get it looked at twice. Want to get it looked at right away after a storm. And then you want to also get it looked at, before winter starts to come about. So we come out, we specialize in documenting. We will show you, kind of like what we're seeing and so forth. It's good to have that for your records, just in case, some things come up. So if you are responsible for a strip mall and there's been hail damage in St. Paul, anywhere in St. Paul or near St. Paul, please reach out to us at 651-703-2336. You can also go to our website, which the link is below in the description, and fill out the contact us form, and we'll get back to you right away. We do use drones as a second option. The drones are just as good as us getting on the roof and walking it. So reach out to us if you have a strip mall and you want to get a free inspection. Thanks.